everybody. What's up everybody? In this video, what I'm going to tell is that how to make your creative life beautiful in the living life of an English countryside. Okay guys, let's begin. In this video, what I want to tell is that making your creative life beautiful in the living life of English countryside. This video, why I want to tell is that today we live in a world where it is full of unhappiness, filled with unwanted problems and no peacefulness, to be very honest. Now, we are looking for finding happiness in our life, where we don't want any kind of struggles. Isn't it right? For example, why I created this life? Because, as you see, I gave up my work and started focusing on my own creative life, where I don't want to have any problems. Because already we know that money is not an answer to buy the happiness or to solve the problem. Whereas money can only end up in problems for you. It can create unwanted problems and we have to suffer with so many problems. So you see, for me, I never want to make money in any kind of circumstances because my life is not created for making money. My life is made for living a happy life that is full of love. Now, the problem I face is that always make love using money. This is the thing which I am not at all comfortable with. So, what happens is that some of the people telling you need money, you need to make life using money, but it is making me irritated very badly and making me to think like a garbage, which I don't want. Because money is required, but you don't need mansion or private car or any expensive houses. Because in one of the video, I would have told you that a type of billionaire filled with arrogance. Yes guys, where we can see his companies or himself gets troubled unwantedly, where we have seen so many videos related to that, saying that a type of billionaire filled with arrogance gets ended up in bankrupt or gets into unwanted trouble. Because that type of billionaire don't value the human life, always value the money and makes his life only earning money, which will only put others in trouble. So, that doesn't make life beautiful at all. So, what I did is that at least let me make money, at least for living, making the life beautiful, for creating organic lifestyle, such as growing organic vegetables, organic fruits and organic plants. Everything is natural. All the things I'm trying to do from home, where we don't need to spend even a penny going outside. This is the thing I'm trying to focus more. So, this is the thing we should understand, that we should make our creative life beautiful from our heart, not based on money. Okay guys, hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video.